Want to know how to change your WhatsApp ringtone on your iPhone? By doing this, you can set a new ringtone. In this video, I'll show you two methods for how to change the WhatsApp ringtone on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Change ringtone from iPhone settings. First, open up Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Tap Ringtone. Here, you will get a bunch of tones. You can select as a ringtone any one of them. Method 2. Change the sound from WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp, tap the settings icon below. After that, scroll down a little bit. Tap Notifications. Then scroll down to the Status Notifications. Then tap Sound. Now you can choose your favorite sound from here as well. And this is how you can change your WhatsApp ringtone on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.